Naturally Marketer. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you seeing me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam. Bam. I want to address the Okay guys, you're going to need a little glass jar, and by the way, we're jumping right into this video. This is how we're going to make some green tea oil. So what I'm going to be using is my rosemary oil. If you haven't seen this video, I will try to leave a link down in the description box on how I made this oil, depending on when this video comes out. You're going to need a little extra oil, so you're going to use grapeseed oil or whatever oil you choose. Grapeseed oil is just lighter, so I like grapeseed oil, or jojoba oil or olive oil is heavier if you're wanting more deep moisture. And a green tea bag. I don't know if this tea bag was what is it, decaf or non-decaf. It didn't say on the package, so I just used a green tea bag. So what I'm going to do is just probably add a little under a 1/4 cup of the rosemary oil, and then I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of the grapeseed oil. I'm going to warm the oil up in the microwave doing 15-second burst about 3 or 4 times until your oil is warm, and then just simply place the tea bag into your oil and let that sit for about 3 or 4 days. And as simple as that, you guys, your green tea oil is ready. This will prevent shedding and help your shedding stop. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave comments down below, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.